Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax after the due date. First, understand that filing late is common, but prompt action is key. Your immediate goal is to submit your return as quickly as possible, even if you cannot pay the full amount owed right away. This helps reduce potential penalties. Gather all your income statements, like W-2s and Form 1099, and any deduction information you have. When you file late, two main penalties can apply: failure to file and failure to pay. The failure to file penalty is typically 5% of the unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that a return is late, up to a maximum of 25%. The failure to pay penalty is much smaller, usually 0.5% of the unpaid taxes for each month. Interest also accrues on any unpaid balance, so paying quickly saves you money. If you need more time to prepare your return, you can request an extension to file, but this does not extend your time to pay. If you owe taxes and cannot pay immediately, the IRS offers various payment options, including short-term payment plans or an installment agreement. For those facing severe financial difficulty, an offer in compromise might be an option, allowing you to settle your tax debt for a lower amount. After filing, monitor your mail for any notices from the tax authorities and respond promptly. If your situation is complex, or if you owe a substantial amount, consulting a qualified tax professional can provide invaluable guidance and help navigate the process. They can assist with penalty abatement requests or setting up the best payment strategy. Also, check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.